Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the stash in the sphere. First, always begin by carefully locating the sphere's main entrance. Next, ensure you have gathered all necessary tools and items. Preparation is key for success. Finally, take a moment to understand the sphere's potential internal layout and any traps you might encounter. Being prepared saves time and effort. Once inside, remember to move slowly and observe your surroundings for any hidden hazards or obstacles. Pay close attention to environmental clues. They often reveal hidden paths or mechanisms. You'll likely encounter various puzzles or challenges, so be ready to solve them to progress deeper. Patience and keen observation are your best allies here. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: staying hydrated is super important, especially during long gaming sessions. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold and within reach. Find the link to the Owala bottle and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the exciting part: identifying the exact location of that hidden stash. It might be cleverly concealed, so look everywhere. You may need to bypass some final security measures or guardians protecting it. Once you've found it, collect the stash items efficiently and safely. Congratulations, you've successfully retrieved the sphere's secrets.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.